Welcome back to my channel Gitter Official. In today's video we will learn how to fix high memory or RAM usage in Windows 10 using 6 simple steps. Step 1. Disable unnecessary services. Press Windows plus X, type services.msc, and press OK. A list of services will open. Find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Double-click it, set the startup type to disabled, then click Apply and OK. Next, find Sysming. Change the startup type to disabled and click Apply and OK. Finally, fix Windows Search, click Stop to stop it immediately, then set its startup type to disabled and click Apply and OK. Disabling these services prevents them from running in the background unnecessarily. Step 2. Change registry settings. Press Windows plus X, type regedit, and press OK. Navigate to HK_machine and click on it. Find System and click on it. After that find Current Control Set and click on it. Then find Control and click on it. After that find Session Manager and click on it. Then find Memory Management and click on it. On the right side, find Clear Page File at Shutdown, double-click it. Change the value from 0 to 1 and click OK. This clears the page file each time you shut down your PC, freeing up extra memory. Step 3. Turn off background apps. Click on the search bar, type background apps, and open it. You can turn off apps one by one or simply turn off the switch, let apps run in the background, which will stop all background apps. Step 4. Manage startup programs. Press Shift plus Control plus Escape to open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable the programs you don't need to start automatically, like Update Tools or Chat apps. This will make Windows boot faster and use less memory. Step 5. Adjust for best performance. Open File Explorer, click on this PC, right-click on an empty space, and select Properties. Click on Advanced System Settings, then under the Performance section, click Settings. Select Adjust for Best Performance to disable extra visual effects. If you want, you can keep options like smooth edges of screen fonts for better readability. Click Apply and OK to save the settings. Step 6. Update Windows. Click on the search bar, type Update Windows, and check for updates. Install all pending updates because sometimes outdated system files can cause memory leaks, and updates usually fix them. And that's it. After following these steps, your high memory or RAM usage issue in Windows 10 should be fixed, and your PC run faster and smoother. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gitter Official.